You ever look at your bank account after payday and think, wait, where did it all go? Because on paper, you're doing everything right. You have a decent job. You make more than you did 5 years ago. You're not reckless with money. And yet, somehow your net worth still isn't anywhere near $100,000. Look, if that feels uncomfortably familiar, this video is for you. My name is John, and I spend way too much time thinking about why normal, hardworking people struggle to build real wealth. If you're someone who earns a solid income but still feels stuck financially, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today, we're breaking down 7 money traps quietly keeping the middle class stuck below $100,000, and most people don't even realize they're in them. Trap Daxa 1. Lifestyle inflation disguised as progress. Here's the thing. Every time your income goes up, your life gets slightly more expensive. A better apartment, a nicer car, more convenience, spending. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average household increases spending almost dollar for dollar when income rises. Now, you might be thinking, but I deserve to enjoy my money. Sure. But if every raise disappears, your net worth stays flat. Action step. When your income increases, lock in at least 50% of the raise towards savings or investing before upgrading your lifestyle. Trap Chackle 2. The car payment black hole. This one hurts. The average new car payment in the US is now over $730 per month. Used cars? Over $520. Do the math. $730 per year. Invested at a modest 7% for 10 years, that's over $120,000. Here's what most people don't realize.
But the growth
cars don't just cost money, they delay wealth. Action step. If your car payment is more than 10% of your take-home pay, that's a red flag. Trap Sakra 3. Confusing income with wealth. Look, income feels good. Wealth feels boring. You can make $80,000 a year and still have a net worth of $5,000. According to Federal Reserve data, nearly half of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency. Why? Because income is temporary. Wealth is what stays when income stops. Action step. Track net worth, not just income. Even once per quarter is enough to change behavior. Trap 4. Saving without a purpose. This is where it gets really interesting. Most people save money with no emotional reason behind it. No why. No finish line. So when life happens, a vacation, a sale, stress, the money disappears. Psychologically, money without purpose feels like available money. Action step. Label your savings accounts. Freedom Fund. Future me. No more stress. Sounds silly, but it works. Trap 5. The subscription death by 1,000 cuts. $9.99 here, $14.99 there. Doesn't feel like much. Until it is. The average American spends over $200 per month on subscriptions. That's $2,400 per year. Over 20 years invested. Roughly $100,000. Yeah. Action step. Cancel or pause one subscription today. Just one. Momentum matters. Trap 6. Fear-based investing, or not investing at all. Now, you might be thinking, I'll invest when I know more. But waiting costs more than mistakes. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% annually over the long term. Cash loses value to inflation. The real trap? Letting fear quietly tax your future. Action step. Start with simple, boring index funds. Automation beats perfection. Trap 7. Playing defense instead of offense. Middle-class money habits are defensive. Don't mess up.
But the growth
Don't lose money.
Stopped right here
Stay
at the
safe. But wealth requires offense. That means negotiating pay, building skills, increasing income, and thinking long-term. You can't out-budget a stagnant income forever.
Great
Action
ideas
step.
lead to great results.
Ask yourself,
Watch your
what increases
concepts
my
grow to
earning power
success
over the
with
next
right
3
approach.
years? Look, none of these traps mean you're bad with money. They mean the system is quietly designed to keep you comfortable, not wealthy.
But
The goal
growth
isn't
suddenly
perfection.
Stopped right here at
It's
the
awareness. Once you spot these traps, you start winning, slowly, then all
Great
at once.
ideas lead to
If
great
this video
results.
helped you see your money
Watch your
differently,
concepts
hit that
grow
like
to
button,
success
subscribe
with
for
the right
more,
approach.
and remember, you're not behind. You're just waking up. And that's where real wealth starts.